Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone font size guys. How can we customize? Friends, you want to customize guys your Vivo phone font size, and how can you customize it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. As you can see guys, your Vivo phone guys, your font size guys, you want to customize into according to yourself guys. You want to set according to yourself guys, normal and default size. So how can you set and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Friends, now let's see how can we customize it. Open your phone setting guys, and guys click on guys your phone display and brightness. Tap on display and brightness, again scroll it. Friends, click on guys your font size and display size guys. We will tap here. Friends, you can see guys your font size settings. Friends, you can see there are 5 size: small, default, large, extra large and larger size. So which size guys you like guys, you can customize, you can set from here. So example guys, we will click on the small size. So friends, you can see guys your font size will is small. So like that guy, we can customize guy, we can use guy font size setting like that guy, we can customize it. So that's it guy, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.